Road and Sky Guy here. We're headed up to a Testicle Festival. That's right, Testicle Festival in Weston, Missouri. I got Robbie behind me on a Buell. He's headed up there with me. We're going to stop by and pick up Steve and Marcia. So if you like the video, please hit like and subscribe. We're headed to Weston Burley House, 357 Main Street in Weston, Missouri. This benefits the Weston Patriotic Society. They still believe America is strong. Anyway, it's in the old tobacco barn. Now been repurposed. It's an interesting town. Lots of shops, antiques, jewelry. It's like a mini Eureka Springs. Good place to take the wife or the girlfriend. So, hope you enjoy. Have a good day. Hello.
Hello. I'm Marcia.
I remember you.
Okay. Good deal. And you are
Sean.
Sean. It's not. I thought I got John.
Remember the face is not the name though?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know how that goes.
Yeah.
I cost her more money. What'd you buy? What is that?
Oh, that is, earlier, Bobby did
Hello, how are you? Not too bad.
Good.
How big a weekend is this for you, the Testicle Festival?
It's okay. I mean, it draws a crowd.
Yeah. Is it a big weekend for you? I mean,
It's not the biggest weekend we've had so far. You know, usually around fall time, Apple Fest, we
Yeah.
have a lot of people. 3,000, over 3,000 came at Apple Fest last year. So
is it one of your bigger spring events?
the Testicle.
Yeah.
We have Wine Fest in a couple weeks. That brings a lot of people.
A little music entertainment. cook today?
I think we had 325 pounds.
325 pounds. And these are pork, right? Not beef?
Pardon?
Are these pork or beef?
These are beef.
How many times a year you do this? Just once?
The first weekend in May every year.
Every year? You sold out though, didn't you?
I don't know if they really don't put a number on it though. Like they don't.
We just kind of guesstimate.
Yeah. We had a lot of walk-ins. Yeah. Yeah.
Wasn't there a layoff for about 5 years on this?
Yeah, so Pat used to have it up by Sugar Lake. And then she passed away. Nobody kept it on, and so then we picked it up. And we've done it. This is our 3rd year. Yeah.
Hey, I just want to come in and shoot some video for YouTube.
Oh, yeah.
I just couldn't afford 30 bucks a plate, you know, to be honest. I've had them before, but it was about 35 years ago.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and get some.
Yeah, you want to try some?
You're here.
Yeah.
We got enough
You
walk-ins.
don't mind?
We'll hook you up, buddy.
Just a few, that's fine.
You want to try the fish?
Nah, just,
Fries?
Fries?
this is what I came for.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Ketchup, ranch. We're gonna try a little horseradish. Bull Ranch. Here we go. Fantastic.
And my defense is pretty easy.
Get a plate?
Oh yeah.
Did y'all get a plate?
Yeah, that's good.
First time you've had them, or have you had them before?
Yeah, I've had them before. Yeah. Did they let you go there and film everything?
Yeah, they even gave me a sample.
Oh, cool.
It was cool. Yeah, I ate them like 35 years ago. It's been so long I could hardly remember what they tasted like. So,
yeah.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, thank you.
There you are.